Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use voice chat in Marvel Rivals. First, from the game's home screen, locate and click on the Settings button. Next, navigate to the Audio tab within the Settings menu. Here, you will find the voice chat option. Ensure it is switched to On to enable communication with your team during matches. This simple step is crucial for effective teamwork. Once voice chat is enabled, customize your audio settings for optimal performance. Select your desired input device, such as your headset microphone, and your output device for hearing teammates. You can choose between open mic, where your microphone is always active, or push-to-talk, which requires a button press. Remember to adjust your microphone and voice chat volume levels for clarity. If you encounter voice chat issues, start by verifying your microphone is correctly connected and functioning outside the game. Next, check your device's privacy settings to ensure Marvel Rivals has permission to access your microphone. If problems persist, try restarting the game or updating your audio drivers. These steps often resolve common communication glitches, getting you back into the action quickly. For the best experience, consider using push-to-talk to prevent unwanted background noise from disrupting your team. Effective communication involves clear strategic callouts, like enemy positions or ultimate abilities. This enhances teamwork and increases your chances of victory. Also, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.